Hey folks, happy early Halloween. I love Halloween, although unfortunately this year my whole family who I live with caught COVID this week. And although I don't seem to have it yet, I tested negative yesterday, I have been so exposed that it hasn't been safe for me to go to Halloween parties and stuff, and I'm pretty much stuck back here in my combo classroom. So I figured out might as well try and enjoy the Halloween spirit by doing some live streams and dropping a Halloween special episode for you guys. And I also wanted to just make a quick full video here for people who don't catch my live streams. As for one, a big thank you because this channel is blowing up like crazy and I really appreciate all of you. And for two, just to share some answers to some common questions that I am often asked in my streams. I might make separate videos for a few of the most common things people ask me as a math educator or as a weird person. But right now, I just want to share a few tips I maybe learned by somehow having an educational channel that is blowing up pretty quickly. Now, I've worked really hard on this project all year, and not only have I been filming stuff and designing my set and doing a lot of editing and stuff, but I've gone through 2 hip surgeries this year. And those are a whole batch of stories for me to tell you and show you pictures of and stuff in the future. But it's been a crazy and hard year. And despite all that, I found a way to focus a lot of energy and time into a project I cared a lot about, which is making crazy videos about math and science and language and stuff to teach things in a new, unique way and just get people hooked on how cool learning can be in general. And apparently a lot of people like at least the short ones, and now the main channel has passed 10,000 and stuff too, and this channel's just going absurd. I did a celebration stream for 10,000 subscribers a week ago, and now it's at like 23,000 or something. I don't even know what it'll be at when I officially get this online. It's skyrocketing up because I guess the shorts algorithm needed some cool smart stuff on it, and the shorts algorithm grew to love me. Although the shorts algorithm are counted weirdly by certain YouTube systems, so like this channel's not even on the partner program like my main channel is. But that's okay, because one thing that I've learned is if you want to have a project do well, you gotta just care about it and spend a lot of time and not care if the first or second or fifth thing you make from it does well. My first couple episodes on my main channel got barely any views, and it took a long time of posting random videos on TikTok and then on YouTube Shorts. And really the YouTube Shorts here, although I've been filming some of those clips since about this April, I only started putting them out 2 months ago. And so it's really magical and crazy that there's 23,000 people who have not only seen but subscribed in those 2 months to all the little math stuff I've been trying to teach and other bits of knowledge in life. So I'm so appreciative to all of you. Thank you so much. I'm going to find a way to turn this into my full job. Right now I still teach some private music and math lessons to students because I got to make some money to be able to buy all my clocks and bubble machines and stuff for these videos. But hopefully I'll be able to turn this into a full job and make sure I have a full episode on the main channel every 6 days is my goal. And in fact, there'll be a full one on the main channel tomorrow, which is less than 6 days, but I just had to put out a Halloween special about pumpkins. I'll also try and make a short video every day I can, and maybe even live stream every day I can, because we've been growing a whole cool community here. There's a Discord that people have been chatting on for people who use that app. I didn't used to until a fan wanted me to make a combo class page there, and now I have fun posting there and chatting with other combo lords. There's a subreddit that one of the combo lords made, and so I'll put links to those here if anyone wants to chat more with me and other combo lords who may like learning and living in a similar way. And whether or not you want to follow through on those links, and whether or not you even check out my main channel, which is my main project, and whether you've seen all of this video, I'm so appreciative to everyone who's just been watching these and commenting, which has helped this thing grow so far. It's going to keep growing because I have huge ideas for grade -2, and we're just in grade -1 for at least a few more months, because I have a bit more to achieve with what I can teach in grade -1 in this grade or season I built built literally out of the dirt, and with like my budget just being a tiny amount of dollars that I made from teaching music lessons on the side. I haven't actually made a cent off these videos yet. That may be coming soon, but I haven't made a penny off my videos. And that's something maybe that if you're a content creator, you'll have to be ready for, is if you're trying to hustle it and have it be a get rich quick scheme, it's probably not going to work. But maybe if you make tons of videos you care about, or whatever form of art or thing you make, and just keep trying and learning from your mistakes and getting better and honing your craft and having fun with it, while also being willing to play certain games of topics and headlines that you think would be more clickable and stuff, but it has to be something you love and enjoy, then maybe you'll get lucky enough like me and start building a whole team and community of combo lords. So basically, thank you all so much. I wanted to make a little full video being like, wow, this is going crazy places. Just stay tuned for the next even bigger levels of craziness. I love you all. Thank you also if there's any aliens watching. I'm a little agnostic about what's going on in the universe. We got a lot of questions still. So if there are any simulation creators or gods or aliens or anything out there who are watching this, thank you as well. And thank you to all the beautiful mathematical and natural patterns that I do know exist. And of course, thanks to you, Combo Lords. So stay tuned. I'll hop on a live stream shortly to answer more questions and chat and have my own little Halloween party, since I'm stuck here and not able to go to other Halloween parties. And also stay tuned for a Halloween special on the main channel tomorrow that will blow your mind about what pumpkins really are. And there are many levels to that question of what pumpkins are. So stay tuned, have a spooky Halloween, and thank you.